Okay, so let's start with an example. Here are some products that I have done that were like an how-to, I'm going to solve your problem kind of thing. For example, this particular one in this marketplace actually solves a problem. And take a look at the sales page, and this solves the problem of what if you could get your paws on 180 done for you images in the $74.8 million dog niche? See, that's the hook, and here are the pain points. Are you tired of struggling to make your own dog images for your print-on-demand t-shirts, onesies, pillowcases, pillows, and printables too? Are you tired of worrying about paying extra fees for expensive licenses and how to use clauses? Tired of pulling out your last nerve? Trying to figure out what stuff actually sells on items on Etsy, Amazon, other e-com platforms? Well, this is the answer to your prayer. And I said, yes, you can get 180 images before everybody else gets them to put on new t-shirts before Christmas 2019 rolls around and get them in your shop. Okay, and I did this. I hired an artist to create these so I could sell them. And right now I sell them for $47. Okay, so if you go into my Clickfunnels account right here, this is that funnel. A funnel is simply a series of pages. Usually it starts with an opt-in page that asks for their email, and then you can have upsell pages, and then you can have a webinar page, which is another upsell. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Now, if I were to start from scratch, let's go into the funnel page, and I were to add new. You have two choices. You can build a funnel. It says start cookbook. These are pre-done, which if you're new, this is perfect for you. So let's just start here. Now, if you're going to sell something, let's just say an information product, and you want to generate leads. Let's see, we want to generate leads and sell a product. Okay, let's see, storefront survey. Let's start with the squeeze page right here. Okay, so it gives you a preview of what it's going to look like. And you can actually choose between paid and free funnels that are already done for you. All right, so if we're going to choose, I love this one right here. So I'm going to choose this one. And then what's going to happen if you have an account, or if you don't have an account, if you sign up for a 14-day free trial, this will automatically load up into your account. Actually, you have to sign up for a free account and then go to the cookbook. Okay, so this is called the squeeze page or the opt-in page. So let's take a look at that. See, this is what is already pre-built for you. Pretty cool, isn't it? So if you were, say you wanted to teach yoga, and you had a course, or you had a book about how to become better at yoga, my favorite top 10 beginner yoga pose, and then right here you would put your picture, you put your name, and you'd say a little bit about your background, and then right here you would simply add your name and address, and you would integrate that with your autoresponder. Right here you would select your autoresponder. You would select a list, and you have to set this up separately from here, but then it's connected. You can also set this up for payment with Stripe, PayPal, and any other marketplace that has HTML code. Okay, so you would set this up, you would save it. Let's preview this page. Now what you're doing is you're building your business. You are absolutely building your business. And here's another way right here. If they leave, try to leave, you can do what's called an exit pop-up like this one, where this will pop up and they have another opportunity to put in their name, their email, and the free video guide. Okay, so if we go back to the second page in what's called a sales funnel, this is where you can actually sell something, thank them, or send them to an affiliate offer. Okay, so on this page, we don't want to translate that. Okay, I want X on it. See, thank you. Now go ahead and check your email box, or you could say thank you. Now, here's something else you might like. Like, do you like fries with that? Okay, so say for example, we wanted to send them, you know, to our affiliate link. Thank you, and then right here you would click on this, and you could say something like, your free video is on its